Hi students, this is Mohua ma'am with ACP class today, and today I am going to say something about developing Shraddha. This is session number 7. This is about recognizing the sacred or developing Shraddha. Let me tell you a little about it. That Shraddha is anything or any act that is performed, means anything which you are performing with all sincerity and faith. So students, have faith in your ability to think and plan for a better future. That is Shraddha. It is not, I'm telling, it is not enough to know the theory. We must also put some ideas into practice. Build your faith step by step. Now I am going to share a story, a very popular story of a scholar and the boatman. Once a scholar was crossing a river in a boat. To make conversation, he named different books and asked the boatman if he had read any of them. The boatman said that he hadn't. Now the scholar remarked, "You have wasted half of your life if you have not read this book." After a while, the boat suddenly sprang a leak and water rapidly entered the boat. Now the boatman urgently asked the scholar, "O learned man, can you swim?" The scholar replied, "I have read many books on swimming and know a lot about it, but I have never tried swimming." The boatman commented as he prepared to swim, "Then your whole life has gone waste. The boatman is about to sink." So students, through this story I just want to tell you that it is not enough to know the theory. We must also put some ideas into practice. Then only you can develop Shraddha. You can develop faith in yourself. So Shraddha is nothing but, if you are doing anything, if you are performing any work, it should be with sincerity and faith. Now this is the fifth universal possibility. How can we develop Shraddha in our cultural heritage and traditions? Now we can develop Shraddha in our cultural heritage and traditions by these 4 ways are there, with some examples are also there. First is meet Sarita, who recognizes the sacred, means develops Shraddha in our cultural heritage and traditions. First is, you can develop Shraddha by being aware of the important social, cultural and religious traditions which we are saying sanskar of a family, religion, state, country. Now Sarita is talking to an American friend who is planning to visit India. Next week is Diwali, so all across the country people will light diyas and celebrate by bursting crackers. For most Indians, being hospitable to guests is very important. So any household you visit will be warm and welcoming. The mother is very particular about us taking off our shoes before we enter the house. This is a traditional Bengali sari belonging to my state of Bengal. I hope you get a chance to try wearing one. Now, like Sarita, I too can develop Shraddha by becoming aware of the important social, cultural and religious traditions of my family, religion, state and country. Second is meet Aniket, who recognizes the sacred, means develop Shraddha in our cultural heritage and traditions. How? By learning the value or importance of his traditions. Now see the example over here. Why do we do namaste when we greet people? Oh, see what it says on the internet. The Indian greeting of namaste or namaskar comes from the Sanskrit word namah-te. Namaste, which means I bow to you. The word namah is supposed to reduce your ego in the presence of another. Wow, I will be more conscious when I do namaste next time. Grandpa, why do you wear this tilak on your forehead? What does it signify? Now, like Aniket, I too can develop Shraddha by learning the values or importance of my traditions. Why do you pray before eating? What does it mean to you? In my family, when we pray before eating, we are offering our food to God so that He can eat before us. For us, it means join Aniket and his friends in his discussion. Praying before eating means different things to different people. Now students, you have to find out what it means to different people in your class through a discussion. Now class is not there, so you can discuss it in your house. So thus I too can awaken my possibility of recognizing the sacred in our cultural heritage and tradition by first is being aware of the important traditions of my family, religion, state, country. Second is learning the value or importance of my traditions. This is the third one. Meet Purnima, who recognizes the sacred, means has Shraddha in the traditions of her community by practicing the traditions that she has accepted as valuable. Now in the first picture it shows this girl is taking blessings of elders. She always takes the blessings of her grandparents before beginning anything important because she believes that matter to her. Second is respect for books. She expresses her love for knowledge and learning by taking great care of her books. She doesn't like anyone's feet touching her books. Third is Guru Shishya Parampara. She touches her dance teacher's feet before beginning her dance performance because she has accepted him as her guru and she seeks to help, means learn from him. So like Purnima, I too can awaken Shraddha by practicing the traditions that I have accepted as valuable. Now fourth one is meet Bonnie, who recognizes the sacred, means develops Shraddha in our cultural heritage and traditions by giving due respect to the traditions that others practice. How? See here, my mother is a pure vegetarian, so even though I eat non-vegetarian food outside, I avoid it at home to regard her feelings on this. Just yesterday, you were telling me that God is everywhere. Then why are you removing your shoes outside this temple? Worshippers here believe it is important to keep the sacredness of this place. I respect that. So students, I too can awaken my possibility of recognizing the sacred in our cultural heritage and traditions by these four ways. First, being aware of the important traditions of my family, religion, state, country. Learning the value or importance of my traditions. Practicing the traditions that I have accepted as valuable, giving due regard to the traditions that others practice. Okay, that's all for today's SCP class. Thank you so much.